I'm Mr. Doty, the engineering teacher at West High School. Next year we're going to be offering some new classes, so I made this video to show you the types of things that we're going to be doing next year. So sit back and just pay attention because there's just going to be some cool stuff going on. First up, we have Engineering Principles. This class is an exploratory class looking at all sorts of different careers in engineering, whether it's chemical engineering, structural engineering, mechanical engineering, or civil engineering. We have several different activities that we're going to be doing in this class, starting out with first learning how to use Autodesk Inventor, which is a 3D modeling software that engineers use to model and design parts to be made in a manufacturing facility. Once students understand how to model a part, they then will use a caliper to take precise measurements of a Lego to backwards engineer it and print 2 of them out with our 3D printers. Another big part of engineering is developing solutions to problems. For this project, students will use the engineering design process to design and build a CO2 dragster to race against their peers. This project teaches students how to use tools and machinery safely and a bit about the manufacturing process as well. When students are finished, they race their cars head-to-head with cars reaching speeds up to 60 miles an hour.
For girls who think that they shouldn't go into engineering because it's mainly a male field, I feel like that's even more reason to go into engineering, is because it's a mainly male field and so you have better chances because you are a girl.
Definitely don't be afraid to pursue engineering just because most of the people who do it are guys. Yes, there are a lot of guys and it can be challenging, but even still, it's rewarding.
It's definitely a very cool experience and it gives a different perspective on projects or whatever because girls think differently than guys do.
I feel like the field would be less without the women who choose to pursue it anyway.
The next class we have to offer is Robotics and Automation. Using Tetrix Robotics, which is made by Lego, students will build and program robots to get an introduction to problem solving and design. We also offer a team that competes using the same platform. Once done with Tetrix, students begin to learn about Arduino microcontrollers and how to program them to do things such as blinking LEDs, making sounds through a speaker, and finally making motors move. Lastly, we will use these skills to build and program quadcopters to fly a course. The final class in the engineering area will be the capstone class. The purpose of this class is to give students who are interested in careers in engineering a hands-on experience exploring these engineering skills. Students will be learning about chemical engineering by producing and analyzing biodiesel fuel made from used vegetable oil. They will also be building a small one-person vehicle to run on biodiesel, which will test for ultimate miles per gallon.